Dear student, welcome back to our NIBS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School, morning shift. Our today's topic is chapter 3, lesson 3, reading done. Today I'll take your class for the student of class 6. So let's get started our class. Lesson 3, the title of this lesson is software maintenance. So before going to start this topic, we have to know about software. You know, student, computer has two parts. One is hardware and another is software. And hardware is the physical elements of appearance or elements of a computer, and software is a set of instructions that tell the computer how to work, that is software. So now let's start. We have learned that a computer has two parts. So student, you know, computer has two parts. One is hardware and another is software. We have talked about the maintenance of the hardware in the previous two lessons. Now you may ask whether there is any necessity for the maintenance of software. Yes, it is important to maintain our software. Certainly, there is a need for the proper maintenance of softwares. Those who use computer know it well that the improper maintenance of softwares creates greater problem than the improper maintenance of hardware. So, it is very important to maintain your computer properly. And the improper maintenance of softwares may cause any type of harm on your computer. The cause of this problem is the virus of the computer. So, what is the cause of this problem? You know, the cause of this problem is virus of the computer. You must have heard that about viruses and germs of disease. We sometimes fall sick due to the germs and the virus. Computer virus is just like a computer program of that type for which a computer cannot work properly. You know, student, computer virus is one kind of small program that can make it, and it multiplies and spreads on its own. That is called computer virus. The germ of a disease or a virus can spread from one person to another and make him or her sick. You know, and real virus, it can exist in nature, and it can for the real virus we get sick and we cannot do our work properly. At the same way, the computer virus may also spread from one computer to another. Okay, and real virus can spread from one person to another person, but computer virus may also spread from one computer to another. When a real virus attacks a human body, it multiplies its number and gives birth to innumerable viruses. The virus of a computer is just like that. If a computer virus somehow enters into a computer, it turns into innumerable viruses. That means it can multiply and spreads on its own. The real virus attacks a person without his or her knowledge. At the same way, the computer virus also attacks a computer without everyone's knowledge. The only difference between the real virus and the computer virus is that there is a difference, only one, between the real virus and computer virus. That is one already exists in the nature. That means real virus exists in the nature, and the other is made by dishonest people to harass others. So who spread or who make the computer virus? Dishonest people. You know, dishonest people to harass others, they can make virus, computer virus. Man-made computer virus is nothing but a little program. So it is one kind of little program. It can easily spread from one computer to the other through computer network. So which is the medium to spread viruses through computer network. So it can spread through computer network. It is very important. When you make a copy of something from a computer in a CD or pen drive, the virus may also be copied even without your knowledge. So it can be copied, okay, without your knowledge when you copy from your CD or pen drive. So when we use CD or pen drive, we have to be careful about these elements. So you should always remain very careful when you copy anything from any computer. Computer virus is not like a germ carrying virus. It cannot make us sick. This virus cannot also go from one computer to the other on its own. So it cannot go from one computer to another computer on its own. This can go from one computer to the other only at the time of copying information. When we want to copy something from one computer to another through CD or pen drive or network, it can spread through this medium and data or only through the network. So network it can go from one computer to another at the time of copying information and data or only through the network. It can spread through the network and CD or pen drive. Today, many types of antivirus programs are available to protect the computer from computer virus. So, antivirus is one kind of virus, a little program that can protect your computer from viruses. But there are a lot of wicked people in this world who regularly develop new viruses and spread them. So those who want to protect their computers from viruses need to purchase updated antivirus program. If you want to save your computer from viruses, you have to purchase updated antivirus program to protect your computer. And this is quite expensive for general people, and it is very costly for general people. But virus is not created for the open source software. So virus is not created for open source virus. So one can remain safe from this problem if he or she uses operating systems run through open source software programs. So open source software is secure, and open source software is if you need open source software, you can use it, and it can save from the viruses. So student, hope you have understood our today's topic, our today's homework number 3. After reading this whole lesson again at home, you have to make 5 word-on answer from this lesson 3, chapter 3. So students, see you next class. Hope you have do your homework and submit on due time. See you next class. Thank you all of you.